So now I can have my phone there and record while driving. So get ready for a lot of driving talking. It's a Thursday. I am on my way home from work, and tomorrow we are hitting the road again to put the Jimny to the test once again. I'm really excited because today we actually fitted in, well, the first accessory to the Jimny, and it's one that I really wanted and I thought that it's really needed after using it last weekend camping in the Cedarburg. So it's the Alu-Cab roof rack tray. It's a great product because there goes an Alu-Cab employee. Now I feel exposed talking to the camera. Anyway, so the roof rack tray is a great accessory. It weighs like 10 kilograms and it can take about 100 kilograms of extra weight and packing on top of the car. Obviously I won't pack 100 kilograms on top of the Jimny, but what's great about the roof rack tray is that you can use it to carry extra ammo boxes, wood, rubbish, whatever you don't want to carry inside of your vehicle. And we all know extra packing space is essential, especially with the Jimny. So that's fitted. I think it looks really cool. I think it's an accessory that most Jimnys should have. I know there's other roof racks on the market, but the roof rack tray is super light and super slimline. So that's what I like about it. It sits between our load bars, two of our load bars. So it's completely hidden almost between the load bars. So just something to note about the gutter feet that have been used to mount the load bars to my Jimny. These are actually prototype Alu-Cab gutter feet, which is quite exciting, and I got to test them out. They were pretty much the first ones ever made, and yes, they should be available to the public pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that. The roof tray is on. It's the first accessory I wanted to add to the Jimny. I'm really chuffed that it's on. I think it's going to be really helpful this weekend, and I'm excited to test it out. This is another added accessory that Simon has bought me as a little present. It's really cool. It's like a little dash storage holder. So yeah, I can put my remotes and my phone can be here. So yeah, very nifty because there's not much space to put things in the Jimny. Alright, I'm busy packing the car. There is the roof rack tray. It's not needed to put anything on it yet. I'm busy prepping this area over here. I'm putting this little blanket here because I don't want to scratch the backs of the seats. And here's my newest duffel bag, courtesy of Simon and 4x4 Megawall. So now I finally have a bag that's big enough to put all of my stuff in, so I don't need to take like 3 separate little bags, which I'm quite excited about. So yeah, I'm gonna hit the road now. So I am loving the fact that I can do Google Maps on my little display screen with the Apple CarPlay. Also, there's another Jimny. There's so many of them in the city of Cape Town. It's quite fun. Anyway, so this is a winner, and also the music playing system. It's not something I'm used to. Welcome back to some more driving and talking. I am driving in my car this weekend and Simon is driving in his car because we're going to camp with his car, but I want to obviously try out my car on the terrain we will be driving around on this weekend. I'm quite excited. I am currently on my way to go and pick up a friend, which is the other reason why I'm taking my car. She's currently out of a car. She has a really cool car, but
in 3 kilometers, take the exit on the left.
She has a really cool vehicle that's kitted out for camping and overlanding, but it is currently out of action in the workshop. So she gets to drive around with me, which I'm really excited about. I'm keen to introduce you guys to her. So we're gonna have some girl time in the Jimny, and Simon is going to be right ahead or right behind us, and we're gonna be camping out this weekend and spending some time with friends, and I'm excited to take you along. There she is.
Hello.
Hello. Finally. When picking up Emma, she had to run into a quick online meeting, so Simon and I got going with packing her gear into the Jimny salon. It felt like playing a game of Tetris, and I must say it's actually quite satisfying when you get everything to fit. So that's what you're going to use to strap the wood to the tray.
Reka.
Are they better than ratchet straps?
They're just easier and they should do the job.
I'll let you do it and then I'll do it next time. Kidding, I will help.
So? That's it.
Nice. Okay, I've picked up a runaway blonde. This is Emma. Hello. Better known as the runaway blonde. She's riding with me this weekend because Emma's car, her Nissan Pathfinder, Nana.
Yeah, so the transfer case is being replaced, so she's a bit out of action, but I'll get in next week.
But I'm happy about the fact that Emma's in the car with me because we are going to the Tankwa. And the Tankwa has an infamous dirt road that's known for eating up tires, basically. I still have my standard stock tires on. I'm not sure how it's going to do. I might come back without a tire.
We'll see, but it's all part of the fun. So
it's part of the fun, and I haven't actually deflated my tires yet, so that should be... Emma can help me.
yeah, I brought the Indiflate, so we'll go quick as well.
Emma's a pro. So should anything happen, at least I have backup. And I mean, Simon is driving in front of us as well. But yeah, girl time in the car.
Yay. So
What
exciting.
tunes are we going to listen
It's
to?
actually cool to be co-pilot at the moment and just chill.
Yeah.
And
When do you ever get the chance to do that?
never.
It was so weird for Simon as well when we were driving to the Cedarburg last weekend to like have nothing to do. It's like constantly on his phone. Yeah. And it's weird for me to be driving. I'm usually the one who chills and...
Did he get scared at any point?
No, he just wants me to go faster.
Okay, that's
I'm a
good.
little bit of a hesitant driver, so he wants me...
Yeah, we still need to figure out the packing. So I'm not used to packing small, so it's like everything is in here.
I think you did really well.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm also not great at it. Got some stuff on the roof, the wood, and Emma's
And the chair. The infamous Iron Man chair.
That chair is amazing.
Yeah.
It
That's
looks
a
really
compliment.
comfortable. Anyway, time to pump some tunes and get going. Oh, the other thing, tonight we are staying at a place called Places of Dreams, because one of our friends is planning on having a festival there next weekend, and he wants us to come and check it out and create some content and hype about it. So that's also a new place. We haven't been in the Tankwa, so we should.
So after this video, go check out that place.
Yes. Okay, cool. Let's go.
Every word lost its fervor. Now glass on the windowsill. You won't let the light in. Just sit around and fight for your fill. Old friends fade into pieces. Gone after their postmodern dreams. Romance, I'm glad, turned to ash fast. Thank God for eternity.
So there's an immense amount of trucks coming from the front, and I don't know what's going on, but it's pretty scary with the Jimny. It feels like the Jimny's going to blow over.
Art beer, you know they can redeem.
We finally reached the gravel road, and as soon as we caught up with Simon, it was time to deflate our tires.
For living like a teen. Gotta fight the fight, wipe the skills from the night, and look upon the face of someone real.
to guide me through this though. I've helped Simon deflate his tires many a time, but it was cool to finally learn how to deflate my own. I mean, it's not rocket science, but I obviously need to learn about the right bars for certain gravel roads, and I need to be able to do it on my own. The Indeflate was a big help and quite a time saver, so I might be looking into getting one for myself for the future. After that, we were back on the road and headed further into the nothingness of the Tankwa Karoo. We were about a 30-minute drive from Place of Dreams, where we will be spending the night. Arriving at Place of Dreams was really very exciting, a whole new place to explore. But I'm not going to lie, it was quite eerie to be the only people at a location that is clearly set up to host hundreds of people. There were structures and Bedouin tents everywhere, but the main gathering area blew our breath away. We could see a whole lot of time was invested in the design and the building of it. Exploring the grounds. It's just open.
We can play. Oh my word.
Oh my goodness. But is this somebody's house? I feel like this is somebody's house.
Hier bly iemand hier binne.
Oh my gosh, this is somebody's private house.
Ja, hier bly iemand, dis dalk nie.
This is just their casual mask.
Ja, hier bly
Casual
iemand.
Monday to Friday wear.
Ek kan sê vir jou baie van hoe. Ek kan sê baie van hoe die temperatuur raak hierso.
This is crazy. Look at all those little caravans. Do people just live here? We are doing some more exploring, seeing all of the dance floor spots. Ugh. Crazy, it's like in a canyon. Can you imagine with like lights against the canyon walls? Here's a pool. So you can also stand up there and dance. If I were a DJ, I would be standing here. Simon would be the crowd. Our friends still had a few spots to show us, including a dreamy party bus and an epic viewpoint over the festival grounds. We were going to return to these spots a bit later in the evening for, hopefully, a classic Tankwa sunset, and then later they were going to put the lights on in the canyon for us. But first, one of our other friends arrived to join us. He has a Jimny too, and we decided to set up our camp for the night. Even though we could have slept in the already set up glamping tents that were available, we chose to sleep in our own setups. I mean, Emma didn't pack all this gear for nothing. Okay, so we have just set up camp here. Earlier, Jerry, our friend, showed us around the campgrounds and the festival grounds, and it's been awesome. It's really cool to have this whole area to ourselves. But yeah, here's the little Jimny. There's Simon's car. That's where we'll be sleeping tonight. Emma has set up her ground tent over here.
So much effort.
She's saying it was a lot of effort. It's not what she's used to. And then at the back here is Anton, our other friend's car, with the Alu-Cab 2-meter shadow awning. And he's roughing it, or actually glamping it, I don't know. He's camping in a swag. That's his preference. And then the back of his vehicle is so cool and so well set up. He's put a lot of work into this car, so goals for my little Jimny. So for the rest of the night we are just going to get some more content of the area, have a braai, and chill around the campfire. And then tomorrow we're off to another location, which I'm quite excited about. It's a favorite for us here in the Tankwa, so it's gonna be fun. Emma has a little friend here. Hello, Ninja.
Ginger ninja.
So cute. It looks cozy in there, Emma.
Oh, it is. It's gonna
Very
keep me
nice.
warm, or I'm gonna keep her warm, I don't know.
Cute. The rest of the evening was truly dreamy. The sunset was unlike any other sunset I've ever seen. I mean, just look at this photo Simon took. And then the creme de la creme of the evening was when the lights got turned on down in the canyon. It felt surreal, and Place of Dreams really did live up to its name. So that is that for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But do keep an eye out for part 2 of this Tankwa trip. You don't want to miss the action. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.